To the English clubs, mainly, come to your senses. Not out of love for football, because I imagine some of you don't have much of that, but out of respect for those who bleed themselves dry so that they can go to the stadium to support their team and want the dream to be kept alive. For those, you change your mind. Do it out of respect for the English people, for the home of football. Gentlemen, you made a huge mistake. Some will say it is greed, others disdain, arrogance, flippancy, or complete ignorance of England's football culture. But actually, it doesn't matter. What matters is that there is still time to change your mind. Everyone makes mistakes. English fans deserve to have you correct your mistake. They deserve respect. Not only football community or football family. All the governments are with us. All the fans are with us. All the media are with us. Only some greedy people, a few, are on the other side. Are we allowing them to take football? No. No, you can trust me. We will not allow that to do.